Hi friends, it's Julia. I am here to share my 6x6 paper pad selection for the start of this year. This is January 2021 and I am doing the Scrapbook Generation 6x6 sketch bundle that they put out last year in 2020, and if you bought the sketch bundle, then you could do the online Facebook group. And so with lots of inspiration from different people who had joined because they had purchased the bundle as well. And so for this, the whole idea is to use your 6x6 paper pads. So I went into my stash and I found this one by Heidi Swap. It is called Dreamy. There originally was 36 pieces of paper in here, and I've counted, I have 33. So obviously I've used 3. This is from 2014. I don't think I bought it in 2014. No, I bought it in 2015. So it's been in my stash for a while. And so you can see lovely papers. And they have that soft, almost watercolor feel to some of them. Like, look at that. How pretty is that? Just lovely. And I think I'm going to have a good time using this. When this paper pad is gone, I'm going to go on to something else. But let me find one that has all the different colors. There, that's a good representation. So I pulled some stuff together to make a 6x6 kit, if you will, with this paper pad. I pulled in some alphabets. These are thickers and they're called Charming. And I have 2 sets here. This one I've used partially, and so I'm going to continue to use those. I pulled in a whole ton of just random stickers. Yeah, all of these are from my stash. I have new ones, I have used ones, I have partial bits and pieces. I mean, look at these. These are left over from years and years ago. Doodlebug design maybe. There's some acetate ones from Sticko. There's these. What was that? Was it 7 Gypsies? Whoever made these sticker sheets, yeah. I have leftover bits and pieces. I have a brand new sticker pack there, dimensional sticker pack. I have other sticker packs in here, as well as used sticker packs in here. So yeah, I have tons to work with. I have some smaller alphabets on some sheets here. Plus I have additional embellishments. I have some frames. These are Freckled Fawn. These are from 2016. These are old. Older. I have these washi tapes, if I can get them lined up. I have all of these die cut bits of ephemera from whatever collection that one was from. I don't remember now. I think it's an American Crafts collection, but I have it all in here to work with. I pulled in some silver sequins. Well, you know, because silver sequins. I pulled in a couple of backgrounds and border stamps. These are mostly all arrows and chevrons. These are all stars. And then I pulled in tons of enamel and puffy stickers and brads. These are all leftover bits and pieces from other things that I've had going on over the years. That's a brand new pack there. This one is a brand new pack, but I have another sheet that has partial stickers on it somewhere in here. I don't know where. It's disappeared on me now. But yeah, there's another partial sheet. Oh, here it is. These. And that's a random sticker from another collection, but these are the same as those, but I've partially used these. And I hope to at least get this sheet used up. And this sticker set is almost gone, but the colors that are left match the inspiration fairly well. I mean, I feel like I can use those. So I have all of that. And then I am going to do, I think my first layout or two, I'm going to work on an older Freckled Fawn kit from April of 2020. I haven't touched this one. It has the alphabet, it has the labels, it has the washi stickers, it has some bling, and it has some wood veneer clouds in there. But if you hold that alphabet up and those labels, it matches perfectly. And I can flip through here. Even with this brown, that mint will go really well. And the yellow tones, that is going to match very well, even with that bluer tone, because it's a gradient. It's almost an ombre effect to that blue. The pink, even the yellow, because it matches that yellow really well, and it's got that almost mint color up in the corner. So you can see, let me find that one with that gradient. This one is the one that made me think of this mint colored alphabet for some reason. So I'm going to try and do that, and yeah, so we'll see what I can create with all of this. I'll keep working at it till this paper pad is gone, and I may pull in an additional paper pad that will match this collection of embellishments to continue using until they're gone, or I may just build another kit to work with. But anyway, this is where I'm starting, and I'll be back with some layouts, and if you'll give me a few minutes, I'll come back and I will show you some of the layouts that I create with this. Okay friends, I have my 6x6 series that I'm working on this year, and I have my first 4 layouts done, so I wanted to come in and show you what I have completed. I am using this Heidi Swap paper pad. It originally came with 36 sheets. I am down to 33, and that's where I started. And you can see I have a ton of scraps in here now because I have been using them. I don't throw anything away until I'm pretty certain I can't get any more use. But I've used a ton from here, so I still have a ton to go. So I'm going to keep this little product kit that I put together. I'm going to keep it together for the time being and continue to work on it through February. So let me show you the layouts that I have created. So for this one, it is a 2-page, and the original layout that Allison Davis did had stitching, and so I did stitching on this one as well. I use lots of bits and pieces of embellishments here. I have circles, labels, there's punched out paper, there's a random sticker. I used Celebrate Family as my title. I have washi tapes up here. I have sewing across here. I have bits of bling, enamel dots, hearts, little paper stickers. Again, more paper circle cutouts. Did my journaling here. There's a piece of washi strip from Freckled Fawn. This sticker I put down here, and I really didn't like it, but I tried to peel it back up. It was a no-go. So it's going to stay there. It's not going to hurt my feelings, but you know, I would rather it be not there. Again, with this one, I went around the edge of the paper with the photos with the washi tape. And you can see here, I just took it and mitered the corners here. I did sewing around that, and I used 4 separate 6x6 pieces of paper there, and then scraps of papers here. Lots of random stickers, blings, embellishments. That was a random sticker that says all of us. And on this one, I used a single sheet of 6x6 paper, and I just cut it into 1-inch strips to go at the top and the bottom. And because it was an ombre effect paper, I put the lighter shades towards the center and then the darker shades towards the outside. So that was layout number 1. Layout number 2, it is still using page 1 of a 2-page sketch, and the first page of a 2-page sketch, I believe. I used 2 sheets of 6x6 on here. Lots of random stickers. I got 3 photos on here, and you can see up at the top I really went to town. I layered up a part of a frame as well as part of an arrow sticker, put a little arrow there that says remember, a Brad, star stickers, a big tag that I put up on the rooftop, and happy there, and love this little love the little moments, and then put the date and then the year here. More puffy star stickers here and here. Another Brad. Oh, and I had a Brad here. more little arrow stickers, a washi piece, some chipboard, and another sticker there, and then a little sticker that says These Moments. These I am also using for my Freckled Fawn Friday because I am using so much. I pulled a kit in from April of 2020, and it was the one with the mint letters. You can see here, and I've been using that along the way with my 6x6 layouts, as well as my some of my Felicity Jane layouts this month. So you can get a close-up of that on that video. This one, again, a 2-page layout. It has one 6x6 piece of paper here, a half of a 6x6 piece of paper here, and then a little over a quarter of a 6x6 paper here. Just to stretch it all the way across, I have some washi tapes, because you know, if you get photos printed at different places, you know they're not always a true 4x6. They're usually 4x5 and I don't know, 3/4, or a little over 3/4, a little under 3/4. It's kind of frustrating. So you don't always have that perfect 4x6. So I filled in the gaps with some washi. My title is Happy Swim Day, and I just talk about our traveling, and during the travels we stopped at a hotel for the evening, and the girls got to swim. So I have bits of bling and stickers, puffy stickers there. I did some stitching around here. More stickers and randomness, and more stickers and randomness, a piece of washi tape that I put on either side of that. More stickers, and I have a little puffy heart that I added there. More washi tape across here, more washi tape here, another sticker and puffy sticker, and I did some stitching around here. Added a little bit of twine. I have out on my desk a kit that I've been using, and so I pulled from that kit to put that little bit of that little bit of twine there. So yeah, that is week number 3. And then finally, this one is week number 4. This is, my title is She Loves Purple. If a little looks good, a lot looks fabulous. And you can see here my granddaughter painted not only her eyes, but her face and her legs. And there's some on her arms too, but these photos just don't do it justice. But yeah, I took my washi paper scraps. I didn't use any new washi, my 6x6 papers, and I just used the scraps here and here. I used only scraps. No, this one, the blue one with the triangles on it, I pulled a 6x6, a full 6x6 for that. You can see I layered up stickers here, used some randomness here, bling, hearts, enamel hearts, as well as puffy hearts. I put the date right here. These are just random little stickers left over on a pad, on a carrier sheet. Puffy sticker, enamel sticker, more blings, again more leftover papers, and then just She Loves Purple. That's a piece of chipboard, more random stickers and bling there. So that is layout number 4 for the 6x6 challenge that Scrapbook Generation put out for Allison Davis. And I'm going to try every month to come in and show you guys what I have created for those layouts as months go by. Whether I get all 4 of them done for a month, I don't know. We'll just have to wait and see how things go. It depends, I guess, on how busy life gets. Anyway, I appreciate you guys being here. For all of my new subscribers, thank you for subscribing to my channel and coming over today and watching my videos. I appreciate that. For all of my subscribers who have been here for a long time, I appreciate you guys. You have been the mainstay of my channel, and I appreciate you guys so very much for your support. Anyway guys, I will see you on the next video. Have a great day everyone. Bye bye.